Casey Jr. Goes to the Rainforest, illustrated and written by Nim Hashimoto. As Casey Jr. was chugging along the track, he saw a sign, so his engineer switched the points. It led him to the rainforest, and he suddenly had an explorer's hat on. While Casey Jr. was exploring the rainforest, he saw a white tree frog. He chugged a little further, and he saw a tiger salamander. After passing the tiger salamander, he saw a tomato frog. Chugging along a little further, he saw a kinkajou. A lake was nearby and he saw a water moccasin. He was so scared that he fainted. When he woke up, he saw the water moccasin was right in front of him. He looked closer and he realized it was actually just a water snake. Casey Jr. and the animals were having fun until they saw a sandstorm that was going right to them. Oh no! Casey Jr. got inside the sandstorm. To be continued.